Hello, my name is Sir Iji Lesonato and I'm excited to be here today. I have a strong background in programming, specializing in both front-end and back-end development. On the front end, I work with React to build responsive and dynamic user interfaces, while on the back end, I use Python to develop robust server-side applications. I also have experience working with SQL databases to ensure efficient data management. Beyond my technical skills, I bring strong soft skills to the table. I have a critical thinking mindset which helps me analyze problems and develop effective solutions. I'm also great with people. I enjoy collaborating with teams, communicating ideas clearly, and contributing to a positive work environment. I believe my combination of technical expertise and interpersonal skills makes me a strong fit for this role. I'm always eager to learn and adapt and take on new challenges. I look forward to the opportunity to contribute my skills to your team. Thank you.